Alright, what's up y'all? It's Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and I'm about to get a quick grill session going on with these Porter Road bone-in ribeye. Yeah, Porter Road hooked your boy up. Be sure to check that link out. Get your little discount. It's about me providing the savings for you to get some good meat made right here, grown and raised in America. Alright, so these bad boys are nice and tender. Dry aged, as you can see. Porter Road, dry aged. I had the ground beef, it was good. Did the pork chops, be sure to check that video out. And now I'm going to these bone-in ribeyes. We're gonna keep it real simple, real quick. Let's get to it. So we ready. Got these bad boys going. See, I got my meat stick X. That's gonna bring me to a nice medium. We're gonna go ahead and hit these off. I'm sitting at like 240 right now. Nice and hot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you know, that's pretty good. So I got the meat stick X and the bigger one. And we're gonna throw them on there like that. You know, don't let your little seasonings go to waste. Let them get down there and burn. Create some aromatics. So I'm back out here. You know, it's been about 2 minutes. Went on ahead and did that quarter turn at a minute. I'm trying to knock out this hot and fast thing. We got a little flare up right there, but that's okay. That's gonna keep me nice. How we handle that, we just drop that coals down a little bit. And we just gonna keep sitting here flipping and building up that crust, baby. We're gonna be back in a minute. All right, so here these bad boys go. Porter Road, dry aged bone-in ribeye. As you can see, I took a little sample right there of that little fatty piece, and I will say that this tastes amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a plate together. If you hear that sound in the background, you should already know I'm about to get some eggs together. I'm about to have some steak and eggs and watch some football. These steaks were seasoned with the Milford Spice Company Great Lakes garlic, the Milford Spice Company Bourbon Barrel Smoked Black Pepper, and then also that garlic didn't have a lot of salt in it. So I'll sprinkle some of this coarse kosher salt. And then of course, when they were done, I gave them a little dusting of that. So that tastes amazing. And let me finish off these eggs and get ready for a plate. Back in a minute. So there it is. Straight up, first time having a dry aged ribeye. And that bad boy looks amazing. The meat stick X kept me on point. Definitely get you a meat stick X. Check out that link in the description. These bad boys will definitely keep your meat going. And always be sure to clean it off after you're done. Don't just put it back in the charger dirty, because that's irresponsible. So I pulled this bad boy. I got the notification at about 140. I wanted a good 145, a good medium. And I think my Black Smoke brothers would be proud of me right here, because your boy is stepping up the game. The only thing, you know, when you're dealing with meat stick, you got that hole right there from when the thermometer was in there. But went on ahead and hooked up some eggs. Got some whole wheat tortillas. And I mean, look at that. That is just, you know, that's amazing. I don't know, man. I've been missing out on a lot. Cooking my meat all the way. Yeah, y'all know about that right there. All right. Hey, This was amazing. Straight up porter roll, hook your boy up, click that link, get you a little, man, that was good. I gotta finish chewing this. In case you didn't hear me, that is good. Hey, check out them links. Porter roll online butcher. No hormones, no preservatives, no antibiotics, free range, pasture raised, American meat. All right. I'm very excited about this because, like I said, this is my first time having a cut of meat like this. I appreciate y'all checking me out. It's been a nice little quick cook, something I'm just throwing together. It's like the day before Halloween, so when you see this, know that this is what I was eating the day before Halloween watching football. Shout out to my Black Smoke crew out there, and appreciate y'all checking me out, man. Tune in, check out the playlist. Go and go through your boy's channel, see what he's been doing. I'm approaching 250 videos, so I got a few out there y'all can check out. Check out my grocery store adventures, check out my yard bird playlist, my pork recipes, my bovine brilliance, the stuff I just made up. Real interesting, informational cooks. So be sure to go through your boy's channel and check those out. And I can teach you how to make a good pitcher of Kool-Aid. All right, y'all be cool out there. Be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan. 1.